Good day, Sir, Madam. I am Lilibet Bacacon, 23 years old, single, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
Good day, Miss Lilibet. How are you today?
I'm fine, Sir, Madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristic of a good domestic helper?
Hardworking, honest, and trustworthy, Sir, Madam.
Since you are a first-timer, how are you going to avoid your homesickness?
I'll make myself busy, Sir, Madam, to avoid homesickness.
Can you tell us how to take care of the children?
I will feed them in the right time. I will give them their vitamins, play with them, tutor them, and love them like my siblings.
What if you commit mistake to your employer? What will you do?
I will apologize and say, sorry, Sir, Madam, and I will not do it again.
Any message to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please hire me so that it will help on my family, and I will promise to finish my 2-year contract.
Okay, thank you, Miss Lilibet. Hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.